In this video, I'll show you how to get verified on Threads. Now, to get verified on Threads, you need to be verified on Instagram first. Alright, again, you need to be verified on Instagram first, as verification on Threads automatically transfers from your Instagram account, meaning you don't need to separately apply for verification on Threads. Simply ensure your Instagram profile is verified and link it to your Threads account. Now, if you don't know how to get verified on Instagram, just go ahead over to Instagram. Alright, now once you're in here, tap on your profile at the bottom right. And here you're going to want to tap on the three horizontal lines right here at the top right. Tap on it. Now in this section, you're going to want to scroll all the way down or scroll down a bit until you see Meta Verified. Alright, so go ahead and tap on it or tap on Not Subscribe. It doesn't matter. Just wait for the page to load, this page. Alright, to be able to have this tick mark right here besides your name, just go ahead and tap on Unlock Benefits. Tap on it and just sign up. Alright, just do keep in mind that you'll have to pay for this. Alright, as you can see here, it's like $10 right here for a month for only one profile. Alright, what you get with your subscription, a verified badge, and some other cool stuffs. Alright, just hit on continue, follow the checkout page right here, and it says here processing your subscription. Just go ahead and add your card or PayPal right here. If you don't have both of these, just go ahead and tap on the three dots right here, and you'll see any available options for your region. Alright, once that's done, once you're verified here in Instagram, when you check on your Threads profile right here, you should be able to see a tick mark here as well. That's basically how you get verified on Threads. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.